Is there something going on between Angela Reynor and the king? Hi, everybody. I heard this rumor this morning. They seem to think it's not a rumor. Bookworm 2, she says that there's some uh, weird things going on between the king and Angela Reynor, and that he's seen, like, they're seen having drinks and stuff like that. Wow. I don't know. I only caught part of it because it's like 5:30 this morning, and my brain. But I was like, "Oh my goodness, I have got to check this out before going to work." So, is there something going on between Angela Rayner and the King, and is that why she had to get out of Parliament? They. Oh my gosh. Well, I mean, also. I saw a woman coming in for the next leader, and I hope it's not her. But is there something going on between Angela Rayner and King Charles, please? Is there some kind of. It would also explain our readings about Camilla, and I don't know, there's something that he sent a private message or something like that. I'll have to look again. But is there something going on? Do I say romantic? Ugh. Between the king and Angela Rayner, the hanged man. Well, this is seeing things differently, but is he hanging himself through this? Because is it going to come out? Is the news going to come out? I know that's not what that means, but I mean, is he hanging himself, or the Queen of Wands? You know what? I don't know what her star sign is, but she is redheaded. So that could be, that's a fiery, and that would fit her. I mean, but, because to me, the Queen of Wands, fiery, that would just fit her. Because to me, like a Queen of Wands, and in her situation would be like a bully. She gets what she wants. That's what it looks like to me. So, wow. Why is she after the king? Is she after the king or what? The two of wands in reverse. Um, that could be. Well, it's planning, but either your plans go awry, or also a door is closing. So we have the hanged man, the queen of wands, and also I wonder if that hanged man could be because he's ill and not able to do a lot, but he's gonna get himself. I wouldn't doubt it, honestly. I know a lot of people. He's gonna cause himself some problems with that, and that with two of wands in reverse. It's not a good thing to do. Could be also that why William and him are at discord. Goodness gracious. Let's see what else. The Knight of Wands. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Come in. Rush in. Get it. Get what you want. Get out. Is it just one of those? I don't know. I wrote my little post about the end of the monarchy. You can go back and read it, but I this is just bizarre. We have crossed some kind of into some kind of weird parallel universe. That's what I think. I better continue this with the King and Angela Rayner. Is it true? Nine of Cups. Will you look at that? happy, the wish coming true. Look at that. There's usually only one person in that one. But look how they are together, the man and the woman. Oh my gosh. What's the outcome? What is the outcome going to be of this Ten of Wands? When people find out, when it becomes public, it's a heavy thing to carry, and probably the secret is heavy. I just want to ask my pendulums because this is crazy. When in doubt, get the pendulum out. Okay, make it as yes is vertical for you, no is horizontal. Okay, Daniel, please tell us, is this rumor true about Angela Reynor and King Charles? Is it true about Angela Reynor and King Charles that they might be in a some sort of weird romantic relationship, and that is going to yes, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, is that why Camilla is angry? Because I know she is in my that's is that why she doesn't live with the king? Is that why Camilla does not live with the king right now? Um, and that is going to yes. Mm-mm-mm. Well, guys, there you go. That's ridiculous. I just want to clear this. This whole thing is nasty. Honestly, I can't. You would think, I mean, I know that, well, there was one thing that I remember from Queen Mother, allegedly. I don't know if she said this, but she supposedly said that all men cheat. So, who knows? But that's my take for this morning. So, take it or leave it. that's that's my interpretation, and um, thank you all so much for being here. I will see you on the next one.